आज हम जो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं क्लास में, उस टॉपिक का नाम है सरफेस केमिस्ट्री। तो सरफेस केमिस्ट्री ऐसी केमिस्ट्री की ब्रांच होती है जो केमिकल रिएक्शन किसी भी सरफेस के ऊपर होते हैं उसके बारे में हमें जानकारी देती है। तो सबसे पहले हम सरफेस केमिस्ट्री में देखेंगे सरफेस केमिस्ट्री की इंट्रोडक्शन। सरफेस केमिस्ट्री इज द ब्रांच ऑफ केमिस्ट्री which deals with the study of chemical phenomena that occurs at the interface of two surfaces, which can be solid, liquid, solid gas, liquid gas, etc. Surface chemistry has a major role in various processes such as enzymatic reactions. In the electronic industry, they are used in the surface and interface of microchips found in the computers. Some basic concepts regarding the surface chemistry. Adsorption is the chemical process in which deposition of one layer takes place over another layer. In other words, desorption is the reverse process of adsorption. Adsorption is the process in which the molecule or particles get absorbed in the bulk in other substances. Sorption, when the process of adsorption and absorption takes place simultaneously, it is known as sorption. Adsorbate, the substance which is going to adsorb, or in simple language, solute. Adsorbent, the surface where the process of adsorption will take place, or which is also known as a solvent. Next important point regarding the adsorption, एडजॉर्प्शन से संबंधित अगला जो महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट है उसका नाम है टाइप्स ऑफ एडजॉर्प्शन। जनरली दो तरह के एडजॉर्प्शन हम ध्यान में रखते हैं। पहला जो टाइप है उसे बोला जाता है फिजिकल एडजॉर्प्शन, और उसके साथ दूसरा जो एडजॉर्प्शन का टाइप होता है उसको बोला जाता है केमिकल एडजॉर्प्शन। तो इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंसेस है देखते हैं। फिजिकल एडजॉर्प्शन, देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ वीक वैन वाल्स फोर्स, बट इन केमिकल एडजॉर्प्शन देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्ड. Physical adsorption is also known as physorption and chemical adsorption is also known as chemorption. Physical adsorption generally रिव्हर्सिबल नेचर का होता है ना, आणि जे केमिकल ॲडझॉर्प्शन जे असतं ते नॉट रिव्हर्सिबल नेचरचं असतं है ना. फिजिकल ॲडझॉर्प्शनमध्ये खूप सारे मल्टीलेअरचे फॉर्मेशन होतं, परंतु केमिकल ॲडझॉर्प्शनमध्ये तसं फॉर्मेशन होत नाही. तर हे त्याच्यानंतर देर इज वन मोर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पॉईंट रिगार्डिंग द ॲडझॉर्प्शन विच सेज दॅट रेट ऑफ ॲडझॉर्प्शन in physical adsorption is directly proportional to the temperature. It means as the temperature will increase, what is going to happen, the rate of adsorption is also going to increase. But in chemical adsorption it is not like that. So in chemical adsorption what happens, at high temperature or at low temperature the rate of adsorption is minimum, but in limited or in mild temperature the rate of adsorption is maximum. So here are the general graphs. The graph which is present at the right hand side talks about the chemical adsorption, and the graph which is present at left side talks about the physical adsorption. Some important factors which change the rate of adsorption. So first one is nature of adsorbent. So generally the adsorbents are in gas state, and if they are in gas state definitely what happens, the rate of adsorption increases. Another important point is surface area. So if the surface area is more, what happens, the rate of adsorption increases, and if surface area is less the rate of adsorption decreases. Some other factors which affect the rate of adsorption In that, nature of gas is also very important. Pressure is also very important. Generally, when the pressure will increase, definitely the rate of adsorption also increase. This graph is about the friendly adsorption isotherm graph. So isotherm means when the temperature is constant. Keeping the temperature constant, the rate of adsorption is found. Afterward, Langmuir's adsorption isotherm. In Langmuir's adsorption isotherm, this particular equation is very important. Here are some important graphs which are related to the adsorption. Finally, very important topic, that is application of adsorption, where the application is going to used in gas masks. The adsorbents are used especially in chemical labs, even in the production of vacuums. Adsorption or the adsorbed gases are used. Next one is when we want to remove the color, or as a catalyst, the adsorbent or the process of adsorption is used. So this is the information about the adsorption.